Cruising is one of the best ways to travel, but if it's your first time, there are a few things you need to know to make your trip smooth and stress-free. Here are the top 3 cruise tips every beginner should follow. Tip number 1. Arrive the day before your cruise. Flight delays and cancellations happen all the time. Arriving the day before ensures you won't miss your ship. Book a hotel near the port, get a good night's sleep, and board your cruise without stress. Tip number 2. Pack a carry-on bag. When you board, your luggage won't arrive in your cabin right away. Pack essentials like a swimsuit, sunscreen, and important documents in a small carry-on. That way, you can start enjoying the ship immediately without waiting for your bags. Tip number 3, don't skip the muster drill. Every cruise has a safety drill before departure, and attending is mandatory. It only takes a few minutes, but it's crucial in an emergency. Follow the instructions, know where your muster station is, and be prepared. Planning goes a long way in making your first cruise a smooth experience. Follow these tips, and you'll be ready to relax and enjoy your trip from the moment you step on board. Safe travels.